Hey YouTube, so I've got another 3D print for you today. Haven't done one in a while, but I've got a little problem here. This door doesn't stay closed. So, to fix that, came up with a little 3D print to solve my problem. These fit some magnets I got from Canadian Tire. The sizing I'll put in the description. I'll also put a link to the 3D prints in case anybody else wants one. But it's a simple enough idea. One magnet goes inside there. The other magnet, check the polarity. The other magnet slips inside here. And when affixed to the doors, with a little bit of a gap in between them, which I'll create by placing this piece of plastic, this piece of plastic in between, then that'll allow the door to open freely and close freely. This piece of plastic will get removed. The only reason I'm going to put that there is because I expect the PLA will flex a little bit over time, and that'll just create a gap to allow the door to close. To install it, I've got my drill bit, my drills, and it would be better to have a pan head screw, but this will have to do. That's what I have on hand. So, on to the next step. So, step one of the process is complete. I chose to mount it closer to here because I figure it seems to me the magnets pull hard enough that the leverage, even at this point, will allow it to hold the doors fully closed. If not, it's no big deal. I'll take it off here and I'll slide it further up. But now the next step is I've got this piece over here and this piece over here. This will create my little spacing gap put together. It's just going to affix to the top of here, like so, and that'll create my little gap, and it'll allow me to come in from the other side and mark my holes. Okay, so I got my holes marked and everything put in, but you can see here it's not enough pull to get it to come in. So no big deal. I'll remark everything and move this from here to here because I know it works over here, and we'll go from there. Alright, so I just moved it over since I didn't have enough leverage for it to close the door over there. See, I got a little bit of marker on it. But yeah, so simple little print, closes just like that. I'll get you the dimensions of the magnets. They're just little ceramic magnets I got from Canadian Tire for pretty cheap. And I'm going to put the links to the 3D print file down below, and if you want to support my channel and support me in what I'm doing, then yeah, price will be reasonable. Anyway, thanks. Bye.